What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Cardano price chart because we had a breakout that gives us a new price target that is also attached to a time window. So let's get straight into this. So first of all, you remember here our bigger price target of 121 till the 1st of October, and we made a nice breakout right here, touched the next resistance level. Then we started a correction, got back below the breakout level, and right now we are back above the breakout level, and also we have broken above the recent high that we have made right here, and this gives us the new price target. Let's have a look at this. So here the new price target is, this will be a little bit smaller than the bigger one, but also the time window will be smaller. So the smaller price target is 113, and this is till the 6th of September. And this gives us a very good idea also when we are potentially hitting the bigger price target. I will just move that to the side right here so we can see this. Yesterday we moved up and got to the resistance of the upside trend right here, but we were not able to hold this. You know, the whole crypto market has corrected, and then also that was the point when Cardano hit this resistance level right here, but it was still able to close above the recent high, which is a bullish sign, and gave us this new price target. And if we are speculating right now, so let's say that we are going with the latest point right here with the price target, we would be a little bit earlier, but you know, if we really have a bullish trend, then normally we are hitting the price target somewhere in the middle or in the first half of the rectangle. This would be till end of August, and then if we are hitting this price target, then the next one would be active, and this would bring us here somewhere in the middle of the second half of the bigger price target. So probably somewhere middle of end of August, middle of September. That is then probably when we are going to hit the 121. Of course, at this moment this is speculation, but this price target right here is active. And let's also have a quick look into the downside to see what we need to maintain to stay bullish. So first of all, we have of course the breakout level, which is acting as support. We already have touched it today, as you can see right here. That is, as long as we are staying above this is very positive. But in case the market is correcting more and we are seeing a correction back to the old breakout level, this would also be all right, as long as we are getting back in this rectangle right here till the middle of the rectangle. This is just from the balance of probabilities, because if we are not getting back into the rectangle until the second half starts, then most likely we will not hit the price target within the time window. That doesn't mean that we are not hitting this at all, just that from the time window perspective, it's not likely that we are going to hit this. If we are getting there 1, 2, 3 days later, then we can give an extension right here to this time window. But if we are somewhere here and we are getting back in, very unlikely that we are going to hit this. But this is not the case right now. I'm just saying to the downside what I'm currently looking out for. And then also we have our invalidation level right here. This is, let me mark this in the chart. This is a little bit lower. Yeah, this is basically here. This is at pretty exactly 0.8, because this is the 50% level of this move where we just had the breakout. And if we are correcting below this level, and if we have a daily candle close below this level, then it's basically the same as here with if we are getting back in the rectangle in the second half. It just makes it very unlikely that we are hitting the price target within the time period, and therefore then this price target would be invalidated, and then we need to wait for a new price target. But currently price target is active, daily candle closes, we have the daily candle closes above this, and in case anything should change to the upside or to the downside, you know that I will upload a new video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, if you have any questions or any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.